In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox settings. First, let's begin by launching Dropbox. You can do this by locating the Dropbox icon on your desktop or in your application menu. Once you find it, simply double-click on the icon to open it. If you don't see the icon, you might need to search for it in your applications. When Dropbox launches, you should see a small window appear on your screen. This window is essential as it allows you to access all your files and settings. Ensuring that Dropbox is open is the first step towards customizing your experience. Next up, click your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the small window. This area is typically where your account information is displayed. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This action is crucial because it grants you access to the settings you need to modify your Dropbox experience. Once you click, you will notice the menu expand, providing you with various options to further personalize your Dropbox account. After that, select Preferences to open the main dashboard. This is where all the settings are housed. In the Preferences dashboard, you will see multiple tabs that allow you to tweak different aspects of your Dropbox experience. This interface is user-friendly and designed to make adjustments straightforward. Here you can navigate through options to enhance your overall usage of Dropbox, making it more efficient and tailored to your needs. Now let's focus on the General section. This option allows you to toggle whether Dropbox starts automatically when your computer boots up. If you prefer having Dropbox ready to go as soon as your computer is on, enable this feature. Conversely, if you want to save resources or prefer starting it manually, you can disable this option. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that your files are always accessible when you need them. From there, let's move to the Accounts section. Here you can link or unlink accounts as needed, which is useful if you manage multiple Dropbox accounts. Additionally, this section displays your current cloud storage usage. It's essential to keep an eye on this, as it helps you understand how much space you have left and whether you need to upgrade your plan. This ensures that you never run out of space unexpectedly. Next up, let's look at the bandwidth or network settings. In this section, you can limit your upload or download speeds if Dropbox is slowing down your internet connection. This is particularly helpful during times when you need to conserve bandwidth for other activities like streaming or video conferencing. Adjusting these settings can enhance your overall online experience, allowing you to multitask without interruptions. After that, we will explore the sync section. Here you can choose which specific folders sync to your hard drive. If you have a lot of data in your Dropbox but only want certain folders available offline, this option is invaluable. By selecting specific folders, you can manage your storage effectively and ensure that only what you need is taking up space on your device. This customization helps keep your system organized and efficient. With these steps, you have successfully navigated through the settings of Dropbox. Adjusting these preferences allows you to optimize your experience and make Dropbox work better for you. Remember, each setting plays a role in how you use the application and can significantly impact your workflow.